Let's write the alphabet from beginning to end. Letter A, start at the top, slant to the left, slant to the right. A line in the middle, you've got it right. Letter B, draw a line straight up and down. Two loops on the right, at the top and the ground. Letter C, start at the top, curve around to the bottom, your C is found. Letter D, draw a line, then a loop to the right. From the top to the bottom, big and bright. Letter E, draw a line straight down the side. Three lines across where they reside. Letter F, draw a line straight up and down, line across at the top to make the middle a little shorter. Letter G, start like a C, but add a line to the right at the bottom, that's just fine. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's write our letters, come sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We'll write them all from A to Z. Letter H, draw two lines up and down. A line in the middle, H is found. Letter I, draw a line from top to bottom. Horizontal lines both top and bottom. Letter J, draw a line that curves to the left. Add a line on top, you're the best. Letter K, draw a line then diagonal, you see from the top to the middle, then bottom with glee. Letter L, draw a line down then to the right. At the bottom, that's just right. Letter M, straight up and slant down to the ground, then slant on up to the right and down. Letter N, draw a line up, slant down across, another line up, never lost. Letter O, draw a circle big and round, that's the way an O is found. Letter P, draw a line, then a loop at the top, right to the middle, never stop. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's write our letters, come sing with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. We'll write them all from A to Z. Letter Q, draw a note, then add a line, small and diagonal, looking fine. Letter R, draw a line, then a loop at the top, diagonal to bottom, and don't stop. Letter S, start towards the top, right curve to the left, then right and left snake-like. Letter T, draw a line at the top, then down from the middle, wearing its crown. Letter U, draw a line down, curve up, you see, that's the way to write a U with glee. Letter V, draw two lines that meet at the base. Letter W, two V's side by side. Letter X, draw two lines across in the middle, that's an X, it's not a riddle. Letter Y, draw two lines that meet at the top, then a line straight down, you don't stop. Letter Z, draw a line, then diagonal down, then a line at the bottom, wear the crown. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's write our letters, come sing with me. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We've written them all from A to Z.